Hey, what's up, folks? Look, so we're going to talk real quick about how to use black soap on your face, okay? Look, you take your bar of black soap, you got it right there, the 1 pounder, and then you just put some water on it. So you drizzle, drip, drip, drizzle that on there, okay? It's that simple. You take the soap, you just suds it up in your hand. If you got rings, take it off, okay? Then you just look right directly on the face with your hand, all right? No, do not put the soap directly in your face. Do not do that. The reason why is because they have sediment sometimes, okay? It's like some carbon buildup, some charcoal buildup, and that stuff in there will scratch the living hell out of your face, okay? And it's gonna hurt. You're gonna be sad, you're gonna be salty, you're gonna be all like, oh my God, my face hurts. Do not do that, okay? Put it directly into your hands and suds it up that way. Also, do not use the same washcloth that you use on your ass and on your balls to wash your face. It is disgusting, okay? It is gross. Do not do that. I start out from the top and work my way down with a washcloth, and I'd be damned if the next day I start over with a washcloth that had previous ass on it and put it on my face. That's just ridiculous. It's not gonna work. Who is texting me? Oh my God, I'm doing a voiceover. What are y'all doing? Anyway, look, don't do that. I swear to goodness, if you do it, you scratch your face, you're gonna be pissed. If you got ass on your face, you're gonna be mad. You're gonna get pink eye, like Vinny from, what is that show called? Jersey Shore, when he was like letting that chick like dance on his face and she gave him pink eye. That was gross. That was nasty. Okay? Also, look, there's a pic right there. Buy a pic. You need to get a pic. All right, pick your beard out. Look great. Look amazing. Subscribe to the channel. Love y'all.